This year in engineering, we've worked on a lot of problem solving and team building.
We learned many skills such as coding and note-taking.
We had to code a song onto a speaker, and that was really cool because I love coding.
The skills that I've learned in engineering mostly is about improvising and having good open communication with your team.
I wouldn't have that sense of teamwork and communication without this class.
It is a really solid curriculum to help students develop the thinking skills that engineers and scientists need.
This class does prepare me for high school.
We're learning how to compromise on work and how to split work evenly.
Part of the reason we put it as the freshman class is because it does form such a solid base for the other science classes. It also very much focuses on user-focused design. And so for girls, especially girls as they're interested in science, what they're really focused on is how is this information going to help people?
The projects in this class are very real world. Our first project was building a pinhole camera for people who have disabilities in their hands. And I have arthritis, so that was really real world for me especially.
We had to design for people with disabilities, and we had to design for earthquakes, and then we also had to design for a business, which it might not necessarily affect us now because we're students, but I think in the future when we get jobs, that's going to be all pretty real world stuff.
One of the really key elements of this course is the relationships that the girls form.
I 100% think my freshman year would be so different without my engineering class.
I've gotten to know the girls in my class a lot more through engineering because we've had to work together so closely.
Although engineering is a very specific class, it also is a very engaging, interactive, hands-on class. So without that aspect of engineering, I feel like I wouldn't have half the friends and relationships that I make.